Mallareddy, grandson name is, what name we have to keep? Then Mallareddy proposal, my name only you have to keep. Grandson name of the Mallareddy is Mallareddy only. In Telugu, there is that person is very popular. Poolamina. Have you remembered?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No, na?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Remember.
In Telugu states, is the very popular.
Yes.
Almost thousands of students are studying in his colleges, in his universities, medical colleges, engineering colleges. Okay, like that. So, do you know that person? Next, in our example, in our book also, there is a person is there. He is not having any sons to carry is a name for that. He has a daughter. For the daughter's son, he offered, if you are going to keep my name for your son, my name, full name, if you are going to keep $25,000, I will offer. $25,000 I will offer. Not today, 100 years before. The people, how much they are giving importance for their name. Observe that. I told yesterday, I went to the sweet shop. First question I asked, what is your name? The person who is providing the service to me. I asked, the first name, what is your name like? Then immediately that person told, sir, my name is Dinesh. Then how I can remember well? Oh, Dinesh, this is very familiar name for me. In my team, there is a Oracle faculty is there, named with Dinesh sir. Oh, same name, man. Okay, your name is not new to me. Same name. Okay, like that. Just I told that. Then automatically, what will happen is, we can't forget. Next time, whenever we will go, Dinesh, how are you, man? Dinesh, how are you, man? Like, even he is providing service for the others. Okay? Then immediately, who is calling by name? By seeing me, he's feeling a bit very happy. Because I'm giving the importance, recognition, okay, for that person by calling his name. What happened is, just obviously, what will happen is, okay, for the other attendant will come. Sir, I will give what sweets you require. No. Just I will wait for Dinesh. Like, then immediately, what the Dinesh is going to do, suppose 1 kg sweets, 1 kg 100, 1 kg 200, automatically will come. Automatically will come. Believe me. Obviously, right? That Frappo, just by name,